Hi everyone, welcome back to JemmaCooking. I'm Jemma. Today I will show you how to make honey grilled pork ribs. Soak cold water for an hour. Prepare grilled onion, ginger, and garlic. And grilled onion, ginger, and garlic. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Take it out in an hour later. I will use 500 grams today. The other half of the wraps will meet in next video. And barbecue sauce. You can also use homemade honey sauce instead of it. Refrigerated for 1 hour. Take it out in 1 hour later. Medium heat for 10 minutes. There is only one layer of water left at the bottom. Open for 1 minute to remove excess moisture. 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix the remaining soup. Stir well. Brush the sauce. Brush the sauce one more time. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Please try and tag me. Follow my channel to watch a video at the first time. See you soon.